What's happening in IDFC First Bank? Why is the stock tanking like this? The CEO is supposed to have sold major amount of stock. Let's take a look. Welcome back to Be Rich. IDFC First is a bank which is a combination of IDFC First and Capital First, a wholesale NBFC. Capital First was started by V. Vaidyanathan, who is a graduate of the BITS Pilani Institute and was a director in the ICICI board. He was also leading ICICI Prudential. He bought a stake from Kishore Bayani in a wholesale NBFC. Later, with the help of Warburg Capital Partners, he was able to leverage and buy the entire company and recapitalize it. At its peak, he was holding 13% of that company. He wanted to become a bank and he wanted a banking license. He had originally started his career as a mortgage manager in Citibank Madras. So, as soon as he got an opportunity, he merged his Capital First NBFC along with IDFC's Deepak Lal and was looking to kickstart a bank. He bought in the customers and IDFC had the bank license. Vaidyanathan had a lot of ESOPs. To finance those ESOPs, he had taken loans. Like you explained in future, the prices of IDFC First collapsed as the coronavirus scare happened and IDFC stocks collapsed. He had borrowed money against his stock as security to pay for the ESOPs. The value of security dropped and the value of the loan did not. So he had to bring in more shares, which he could not. So he decided to sell in a huge amount of shares, in around 40 crore shares, to pay back the lenders. He transparently announced that he was in margin call and he was selling his stock to pay close the loan and nothing more. But the market perceived it differently and hammered IDFC First. IDFC First is now trading at 18 rupees 20 paisa. The book value of IDFC First is 36 rupees. In the long term, IDFC First is a valuable buy. But it will take a very long time for the stock to recover. As long as Vaidyanathan is there, one can confidently invest in IDFC First because he's proved a competent manager in Citibank, in ICICI Prudential and Capital First. But for that, first, the uncertainty on the virus has to lift, banking operations have to be normal, and he must be given at least a decade to operate before IDFC Bank becomes very profitable. IDFC Bank, last among the private sector banks. It is facing competition from ICICI, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank and also IndusInd Bank. It is very difficult for it. All these guys are fighting for the same piece of the pie. It's going to be an uphill task for Vaidyanathan to snatch a piece of the pie from these guys. He may succeed. It will take time. But today, when HDFC is still trading at 3 to 4 times book, it makes eminent sense to buy IDFC First, which is trading at 0.49 times book. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and relatives. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. A WhatsApp number is given below. If you'd like to buy my books, you could send a WhatsApp number. Finally, the comment sections are open and you may write your comment. If you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com and my team will get in touch with you. Once again, I thank you for watching Be Rich.